Ever wish you could have a freshly baked cake in under 5 minutes? Then this one's for you. This is the best treat for when you're craving homemade chocolate cake but don't have the patience to whip up a whole cake. No mixers, no oven, and most importantly, no waiting. All you need is a mug, a microwave, a few ingredients from the pantry, and about 5 minutes. Toss in the flour, cocoa powder, salt, baking powder, and sugar. Give everything a quick mix until it's all combined. Next, pour in the milk, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Mix until smooth and glossy. You're looking for a thick, well-combined batter without any lumps. Need an extra kick? Add a tiny bit of espresso powder. It really complements the richness of the chocolate. Spoon half of the batter into your mug. Add the chocolate drops or square of chocolate right in the middle. If you're feeling a bit extra, add a teaspoon of peanut butter or hazelnut spread, then cover with the rest of the batter. Microwave for 60 to 90 seconds. You're looking for the cake to rise and for the edges to look set. Remember, we're not going fully baked. Underbaking the cake is what gives you that classic lava texture. Now for the hardest step. Let it sit for 1 minute. I know, the wait is like torture, but this helps the cake finish cooking while keeping the center molten. And that's about it. A soft, gooey chocolate mug cake with a melty center, done in just under 5 minutes. If you make this at home, tag us so we can see how your cake turns out. Perfect for those late night chocolate cravings or when you just need to treat yourself. Treat yourself.